Page number 277, textbook part 2nd, class 12th integration. Evaluate the integral 0 to pi x sin x upon 1 plus cos square x dx. Now we can use the property 0 to pi x, we replace it by pi minus x. Sin pi minus x upon 1 plus cos pi minus x whole square dx. This is because of the property integral 0 to a fx dx is same as 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So 0 to pi minus x, sin 180 minus x is sin x. 1 plus cos 180 minus x is minus times cos x. It is minus cos x whole square and dx. So it is 0 to pi minus x sin x upon 1 plus minus cos x whole square is plus cos square x dx. Let it be second. It be second and this one be first. Adding first and second. Add first and second, we have integral I plus I is 0 to pi x sin x upon 1 plus cos square x plus this one pi minus x sin x upon 1 plus cos square x dx. So it changes into 2 times I and 0 to pi. Now x sin x LCM is 1 plus cos square x and it is x sin x plus pi sin x minus x sin x whole dx. X sin x cancel, the result changes into 2 times integral I is 0 to pi sin x upon 1 plus cos x whole square. It is dx. So integral I, we can take pi by 2 common. It is 0 to pi, it is sin x upon 1 plus cos x whole square. Now we can put cos x is equal to t. Differentiating with respect to x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, dx is dt, then sin x dx is minus times dt. And the limit when x is equal to 0, यहाँ पे 0, तो value of t is equal to cos 0 is 1, and when x is equal to pi, value of t is cos 180 pi, cos 180 is minus 1. So it is integral I is 0 to pi, it changes into 1 2 minus 1 1 2 minus 1. अच्छा, sin x dx is minus times dt, it is minus times dt and it is 1 plus t square. After this अच्छा, तो इंटीग्रल I इज पाई बाई 2, ठीक, माइनस डी टी माइनस बाहर, माइनस पाई बाई 2 इंटीग्रल 1 to -1 1/1 प्लस टी स्क्वायर डी टी। ठीक है। अच्छा, इफ वी चेंज द लिमिट, -1 नीचे +1 ऊपर, देन देर इज ए चेंज इन साइन, प्लस π/2 इंटीग्रल -1 to +1 1/1 plus t square dt. It is because if it is -a to +a fx dx, if we change the limit a नीचे ऊपर प्लस a, then it is minus times fx dx. ठीक है। अच्छा, तो ये हमारे पास हेयर एफ एक्स और एफ टी इज 1/1 प्लस टी स्क्वेयर is an even function, because when we change f of minus t, it is 1/1 plus minus t whole square, and it is 1/1 plus t square, and it is equal to f of t. ठीक है। So when it is an even function, when this f of t is an even function, we can write -1 to +1 f t dt as 2 times 0 to 1 ft dt। ठीक है। तो we can write this function as π/2 into 2 times 0 to 1 1/1 plus t square dt. So it cancel pi, and it is equal to tangent inverse t, it is from 0 to 1. Pi, it is tangent inverse, the value of t is equal to 1, and minus tangent inverse 0, we put t is equal to 1. It is π/4, and tangent inverse 0 is 0, so it is pi square by 4, right? अच्छा, अगर ऐसा नहीं हम करना चाहते, ये हो गया क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट। ठीक है। यहाँ कहीं था, हमने 2 बार चेंज कर दिया ये वाला फ्रॉम हेयर। अगर यहाँ पे हम ऐसा नहीं करना चाहते या ऐसा भी नहीं चेंज करना चाहते, वी कैन सब्स्टिट्यूट डायरेक्ट इंटीग्रल 1 to -1 1/1 plus t square dt. It is minus π/2, and this value is tangent inverse t. It is from 1 to -1, minus π/2, and first we put tangent inverse -1 minus sign, and tangent inverse +1, minus π/2, tangent inverse of minus theta is equal to minus time tangent theta minus tangent inverse 1, and it is also equal to minus tangent inverse 1. Take minus π/2, and it is minus π/4, and this value is also equal to minus π/4, π/2 here. So minus π/2 into this becomes minus 2 π/4. It cancel with it, π/2. ठीक है। तो माइनस माइनस प्लस, इट बिकम्स पाई स्क्वायर बाई 4। ठीक है। तो ये इसका रिजल्ट हो गया। तो इस तरीके से करना है हमने उसको। चलो काफ़ी है, थैंक यू।